Hi guys, Patrick here, and today I'm back with one of Umidigi's more recent entries into the Android smartphone market, the A9. And the A9 is sort of the middle point between Umidigi's high performance budget smartphones like the A9 Pro and its bottom tier stuff like the A7S. Unlike its predecessors, however, the A9 comes with Android 11 right out of the box. And there's some other sweet numbers here too, but we're not going to go into any of that in this video. Rather, we're going to focus on what's in the box. Has Umidigi gone from its normal bland packaging with little or no accessories, or have they included some more stuff to make it more attractive? Well, let's find out. So I've got my trusty scissors here. Let's dig in. Starting with getting rid of these seals, like this and like this. Easy. Just scratch something. Okay, cool. No need for this anymore. Voila. Interesting. Okay. So you get the phone itself, the link to the world pamphlet. I don't know what this is. I don't know what world they're linking to, but it's cool. Umidigi is linking the world. You get a charger, USB-C cable, and a charging brick. So these all looks very similar to the packaging you find on pretty much every other Umidigi smartphone. And from first impressions, the A9 disappointedly is looking more like an A7S than an A9 Pro. In fact, let me show you the A7S. Hey, hold on, just 1 minute. Yeah, I'm back with two phones. So this is the A7S and this is the A9 Pro. I was secretly hoping that the A9 would be a toned down version of the A9 Pro rather than being an upgraded version of the A7S, because really the A9 Pro is one of Umidigi's best looking phones. So I was really hoping for the A9 to be just more like a toned down version of this phone, maybe with the glass sandwich build and everything, but lower specifications. But no, they've gone with the cheaper option. Why am I not surprised? Why am I not surprised? Anyways, let's keep this out of the way and continue with our unboxing video. So this is the A9. It comes with the clear TPU case as usual, and it feels very chunky, just like the A7S. But more on that later. Let's try give the phone a boot and see what's going on under the hood. Let's do this too. Yeah, feels very nice. So the normal setting up and choosing the SIM cards and whatever. I'm going to complete the setup much later, but as far as our unboxing video goes, I think this is the end of it. You get the phone, clear TPU case, Umidigi's link to the wall, the normal USB-C cable, and the normal 10-watt charger. Pretty much everything on this phone. So what are my first impressions of the A9? Well, despite my earlier ramblings and lamentations, it's still a nice phone to hold. It still looks kind of good. And although I deeply wanted it to be more of an A9 Pro than it is an A7s, I'd have to say this phone costs way lesser than the A9 Pro. So you could justify the drop in build quality and design by the price. Anyways, I'm going to be with this phone for the next 1 week or so, and in that period I'm going to dive into it, see what's good, see what's not good. I'm going to come back with a summary of everything so you can make a better buying decision. Thanks for watching as always, and see you next time.